Alright everyone, I'm in the process of trying to figure out how I'm going to install a, what's it called, bidet shower spray for this toilet. Now I've acquired some of the parts. This is, however, I must say, it's not the same as what you'd buy off the shelf, the whole thing. So I've bought bits and bob to make it a bit cheaper. As you can see, I'm using a special shower unit thing that I've found on eBay, which seems quite good, so I'll use that. Now my problem was, when I put it against the wall, the plumbing work is what I need to really work on. So I've got the splitters, I don't know what they're called now, actually I found them on eBay as well. Got the hose and some extra connectors which will go with the shower head spray thing at the back, which I think is from China. But also I found this little thing. Now normally it comes flat, so I bent it, and what that basically means, when I put it on the wall, I'm going to have to paint it, colour up. It'll go something like this. Okay, that should hold the tap bit that you can turn it on and off with on there. So now I've got two options. Here to get the water from this little valve there, or if I go behind the thing, you can see I've got two more there, hot and cold, which most likely I'm going to use. But there's a waste pad that goes between them, which will make it a bit difficult to work on. So the plan is, first of all, to fix this somewhere on here, and the hardest bit is to do that. It's because this porcelain tiles, and they're quite thick ones, and in the past it was very hard to drill through, so I've got to figure out a way of doing that. Alright, here you go. I've tried drilling up there with a special drill bit. It's really hard, one of the harder ones you can get. I can't get through. I tried doing it at the below here, right there, and it just won't go in. I think I'm gonna have to approach it with the glue. Well, as you can see, I'm trying to attach this onto the wall over here like this, so where the tap's gonna go. The problem is I can't drill it. It just won't get through those porcelain tiles. So my next option is to basically use this. Got this from Tool Station, but you can get it from any other DIY store. And I'm hoping that will fix the problem. And I'll let you know how it goes. So I'll try that next. Gonna mix this up, put it on the thing, see how that goes. Right, just want to show you that I mixed the glue on there, and then I've put it on the both side, as I said, but it's still very runny right now, so I've got to hold it for a bit longer, maybe until it settles. So it is moving, still in the liquid form. Now I've taken the first flexi pipe off that was on the tap originally, and I'm going to replace that with one of these on the top. See, it's going to go on the top, and now I'll split them up into two different ways. So there you go, and that's sort of hardened, but I'm not sure how strong it will be. It seems to be very hard. I think it takes 8 hours for full strength. Right now it's not bad, it's not bad. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Alright, as you can see now, I'm trying to connect the thing on there. The pipe's going to go underneath it. Just going to tighten that up, put the other one on, and hook it all up, connect it all up together hopefully, and that's it. So I'm going to see how much I can tighten this by hand, and then probably use something else to tighten that so it stays up there quite firm. It's getting there slowly. Right, so I've connected that up over there, as you can see. And if I come round, you should see a bit that's connected there as well. So going back here, just connecting the hose pipe, or just tighten this up a bit. It's just to hold the thing, because alright, now the test begins. If I turn this now on, if it starts leaking, whoa. I'm not feeling, there's a bit of water there. It's leaking from somewhere. I thought it might be the case. Right, the next bit is, if I turn this on, what will happen? Is there any leakage anywhere at all? This one I know is tight. Now that it's done completely, as you can see, the little hook here that fits into there, like that. Hook, and then you've got the holder there. You lift it out. Controls there. Hot and cold. As simple as. All things work perfectly fine. So, bring it back. Two different angles, you can have it this way, or you can have it this way. There you go. All done.